Alright, well, you've been asking for it. So in this video, let's cover the basics of what a crypto wallet is, how to set one up, and how to use it to exchange cryptocurrencies. We'll also check out how to purchase cryptocurrencies using exchanges like Binance using your fiat currency, USD, INR, etc. So yeah, let's get started. Well, a cryptocurrency wallet is pretty much like any other wallet. It holds the crypto in between exchanges. So if you purchase crypto from an exchange, you can hold it in your wallet to transfer it somewhere else. There are software and hardware wallets. We'll just be focusing on software wallets which are free. They make money by taking a fraction of the transaction fees. Like every time you send or receive crypto, there's a small transaction fees that gets cut. So that goes to the wallet companies. The wallet that I use is Metamask. It's pretty popular. Metamask is a big name in Web3, so they have a lot of services. Crypto wallet is one of them. Downloading and installing it is pretty simple. It installs as a browser extension. You can even download the app on your phone, but will primarily be working on a PC. So all you have to do is head over to metamask.io and you can see that there is an option to download. Just click on download as an extension. It'll take you to the Chrome web store. Let me do this in Firefox because I already have an account in Brave. So I'm going to add that as an extension to my Firefox to show you how to set it up. Now as soon as the extension is downloaded and installed, this page will automatically open up. It says welcome to Metamask. So when you click on get started, you'll be presented with these two options. Now the first option is only to recover your wallet. So if you are like logging into your Metamask wallet from another PC, you will use the first option. But we are setting up for the first time. So let's click on create a wallet. So here are some terms and conditions. Of course, it's a safety precaution. Don't share your key, your addresses and stuff. We'll talk a lot more about this in a second. So let's just agree and continue. They'll ask you to create a password. Of course, having a secure password is important. I'll tell you what's more important than a password, but let's just create a password first. This is what's more important than a password. You see, for every wallet, there is something called a seed key. That key is pretty much a combination or a series of English words that acts as your primary key. So if you ever want to log into your MetaMask wallet or any wallet for that matter in another machine and retrieve your assets, your crypto stored in the wallet, you need this key. If you lose this key, no one can help you recover the wallet, not even the company itself. In fact, they have a video here. Let's watch the video together and understand it.
Metamask is a new way to connect to sites and applications. On traditional websites, a central database or bank is responsible for controlling and recovering your accounts. But on MetaMask, all of the power belongs to the holder of a master key. Whoever holds the key controls the accounts. Your secret recovery phrase is your master key.
Yep.
It's a series of 12 words that are generated when you first set up MetaMask, which allow you to recover your wallet and funds if you ever lose access.
So those 12 words are most important. So as they said, if you lose your access or lose that key to someone else, they can take your assets. You'll have to remember that in the exact same order. If anyone asks your seed key, that is definitely a scam. No one will ask for that. So there you have it. That's why the seed key is really important. So if your seed phrase says something like, you have to remember that and enter that in the exact same order when you want to retrieve your wallet. So take precautions. As they say, save it somewhere. So when I click next, that's when you will be presented with your key. So of course, I'm not going to reveal mine to you, but once you click on that lock icon, you will see your 12 words. You'll have to remember those. I recommend you keep them in multiple places. If you use password managers or if you use some sort of a secret vault, keep them in multiple places. If you want, you can memorize this as they suggest or even download this as a file. It's basically a text file with the exact phrase. You can copy paste that as well. Anything works. In fact, you can easily encrypt any file on your PC with a couple of commands. If you want, I can show you, but maybe I'll do that in another video. You can stay tuned to my second channel to see how it's done. But for now, let's remember our seed phrase and continue. So once you click on next, of course, you'll be presented with the exact phrases, but in different order. You'll have to click on these words in the same order as your phrase. That'll help them verify if you have it saved somewhere and you remember it or not. Once that is done, congrats, you passed the test. Now again, they'll give you some more advice on how to save it properly. And of course, MetaMask will never ask you for the key. You can download it whenever you like from settings and security. So it'll be there as a file. You can download it when you want to. Okay, let's click on all done. And there you have it. Congratulations, you have successfully set up MetaMask. Now let's add some networks that we want to use. Let's say I want to use Binance's BSC network, right? Binance Smart Contract or Binance Smart Chain. It's pretty simple. I'm going to search that on Google and click on any link. Oh, there's a Binance's official link. You'll find tons of tutorials like this. So this is pretty much it, like a few information like the network name, RPC URL, we'll just add that here. So let's click on the network and say add network. And in in the network name, we'll just add the details that you saw there for BSC. It'll be different for each network, but we just copy paste everything as they have shown us. The RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and the Explorer URL. Once they are all been added, simply click on save and there you go. You can see the BNB symbol too. Same thing for any other network you want to add. Let's say I want to add avalanche. I'll search for the same thing and I'll find an article for that. Pretty easy stuff. So with that done, MetaMask is fully set up, hoping that your key is safe, and well, yeah, you're now ready to send and receive crypto. Now let's see how to buy crypto. Now you can use any exchange that you want. An exchange is a platform where you can, as the name suggests, exchange your currency. You can exchange your fiat currency like USD to get some bitcoins, or you can exchange between two cryptos. You can exchange a crypto to a fiat, anything. So I use Binance because their transfer fees are pretty low. So when you send and receive from a wallet, their transfer fees are generally pretty low. You can use any wallet you want. I mean, it's up to you. If you want to use Binance, I'll leave a link in the description. You can join from there. Setting Binance up is really easy. I mean, if you have created your Facebook profile, pretty sure you can do in Binance as well. Now, once you log in, especially here in India, we can only buy crypto using P2P or peer-to-peer trading, meaning that if you're a Binance user and I'm a Binance user, I have to pay you directly and get crypto from you. I can't buy from the exchange all the time. That's one of the weird things of Binance. It depends on the country. It's not the same for everyone, so just check under that tab that says buy crypto. I'm going to use P2P, so I'm going to buy from another Binance user. You'll see all of these ads listed from other users who are selling their whatever crypto you're trying to buy. So just click on which crypto you want to buy. I'm going to buy BNB. If you want, you can scroll through the different options and see what is the maximum amount available, but I'm just going to enter my exact amount there, 48,500, and search. So it will show me all the listing that has those amount ready. You'll also need to pay attention to this completion rate, meaning that the seller has completed that many percentage of the orders they receive. Generally, anything above 85 is pretty good. They've listed their payment modes. UPI is available, so that's cool. I'm going to click on buy BNB and I'm going to add my amount, 48,500. I mean, you can add anything between the range, and I'm just going to click on buy BNB. So it has placed an order. You just have to wait for this page to show up. I'm going to click on UPI and copy that UPI ID. I can use any of my payment apps to transfer money to them first. Yeah, that's how P2P works. You have to transfer money to that seller first outside of Binance's network. It seems risky, but it's alright. I mean, they have services for that. I'll explain, but first let's transfer money to him. I'll use PhonePe. So we'll verify that and save this ID. We'll send the amount, that's 48,500. Proceed. And there you go, that's sent. Now that you have sent the money, you can click on that button that says transfer notify seller. This will notify the seller that the money has been sent, so they can check from their side and then release the crypto. I usually just share the transaction ID with them. It's not required, but I do it anyways. So we have about 15 minutes before which we can appeal that they did not send us, if they did not send. Usually they'll send in about 5-6 minutes. So let's wait for that. In the meanwhile, we can have a chat. So tell me, what's up? You know, I have a great solution to that. I have a great advice which can really improve your life. It's like a secret that no one really talks about. So here's the thing. Oh, it's completed. So let's finish this first. So now that the order is completed, we have the crypto with us. It's about 1.92 BNB which we purchased. You can click on view my balance, which will take you to your wallet, and boom, there it is. Now whatever you have purchased is in Binance itself. We need to send it to our wallet so we can use it in other projects. We've already added BSC, that's Binance Smart Chain, to our Metamask wallet. So we are ready to receive BNB. So how to do that? You can just click on these three buttons here in the action tab and you can click on withdraw. It'll give you a warning that says, don't share your screen to someone while withdrawing because they may steal some information, even though that's exactly what I'm doing. Now I have my Metamask wallet address saved here, so I can just click on that. But if you haven't, you can just click on the Metamask icon in your, in your extensions and click on the account number. It'll automatically copy the wallet address. Then you can just paste it there and it'll automatically switch to BEP20. If it doesn't, you can click on that and select BSC yourself. It has to be in the matching Binance network because that's the best way of doing it. Otherwise, it may not even work. Transferring crypto is a little tricky because it doesn't really check if the wallet is supportive of this network or not. So it asks you to double check and triple check if the network is added already. Now our Metamask wallet does support BSC. And we have no issues, But yeah, those warnings are just to remind you that in case you send it to the wrong network, we cannot really get it back. Your funds will be lost once you have transferred. Whoever you have transferred it to, they are the owners, so you can't get a refund. That's how the blockchain is, right? Equal power for everyone. So yeah, you can't just ask Binance to get it back for you, because Binance doesn't own it anymore, and neither do you. So finally, after going through all of those messages and verifying your wallet address, which will be correct because you copy pasted that, it'll ask you two OTPs. One will be sent to your phone number, the other to your registered email. Enter both of them and submit. That's about it. Now you have to go to your Metamask wallet and just wait. It'll automatically be there. If you don't know how to open this page, just click on your Metamask extension. In this tiny icon, you'll see expand view. So it'll expand it into a separate tab. Okay, now let's wait for our assets to come through. So we have some more time. Oh yeah, I was telling you about a secret, right? This secret formula will change your life drastically. This is what I've been doing for the past few months, and it's amazing. It's actually... Oh. Okay, we got our assets. Let's continue. Now that you have got your assets, let's say you want to transfer it back to an exchange. Let's say you want to transfer it back to Binance so you can sell it, right? So same way, you go to Binance, you can directly click on this option that says deposit crypto, or you can even go to any of your wallet, like say Spot and Funding, whatever, whichever wallet that's available. You can selectively choose that one coin that you want to send and click on deposit. It'll bring you to this page where you can pretty much select the network, and then it'll give you a wallet address. Copy that address, come to Metamask, click on send, it'll open up this tiny page, paste the wallet address, and it'll automatically be verified. And if you want, you can send the max amount. You can keep the gas price and the gas limit, don't worry about that. You can leave it as it is and just click on next. After confirming it, it'll send the amount totally. So after waiting for a few minutes, it'll automatically be available in your Binance wallet, which you can then use to sell. That is how you buy crypto from an exchange like Binance, transfer it to Metamask, and send it off from Metamask to another wallet. If you want to use it on a project, pretty simple. You just have to go to that project and click on Connect Wallet. It'll usually bring you an option to connect Metamask. Just select Metamask and it'll automatically show you the balance that you have for that relevant token. Just make sure the network is correct. If the network is wrong, it'll tell you that it's incorrect network. Just change it to the relevant network of that project and you're good to go. We'll worry about those projects next time, but for now, these are the basics. That's how you set up Metamask and have it ready to send and receive crypto. I hope you found this useful. It's pretty simple to do. Just the only thing to remember is keep the seed phrase safe. So yeah, links to all of these will be in the description. You can join Binance from the link. You can download Metamask. Everything will be in the description. Go ahead, take a look. And if you have further questions and doubts, leave them in the comments, or you can even DM me on Discord.